In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new user in Odoo. Whether you're managing a small business or a large enterprise, knowing how to create and manage users in Odoo is a crucial skill. So, let's jump right in and walk through this process together in a few simple steps. First things first, you need to ensure you have the appropriate permissions to perform this action. Log in as a user who has administrator rights. Without these permissions, you won't be able to make the necessary changes or even access the user management settings. This is a critical step because it ensures that only authorized personnel can make modifications to your user base, which is fundamental for maintaining the integrity of your system. So take a moment, double-check your access rights, and verify that you have admin privileges. Once you're logged in with the correct credentials, it's time to navigate to the Users menu. From your dashboard, make your way to the Settings section. From there, click on Users and Companies, and then head over to Users. This option might also be named something like Manage Users, depending on your version or customization of Odoo. Now, if you don't see this option immediately, you might need to enable the Developer mode. Developer mode can provide more control and access to various features, but remember, it's an advanced setting, so handle it with care. Now that you've found your way to the Users menu, it's time to create a new user. In the Users section, locate and click on the Create or, sometimes labeled, New button. This will open up a form designed for a new user entry. You'll need to fill out key information for the new user, starting with their full name. Make sure to input the correct spelling to avoid any future authentication issues or confusion. Next, enter the email address, which will serve not only as a point of contact, but also as the username for login purposes. This email will be crucial for sending invitations and communication, so ensure it is accurate and current. After you've filled in the necessary details, it's essential to assign proper roles and access rights to the new user. Navigate to the Access Rights tab within the user form. Assigning the correct role will determine what parts of the application they can access, ensuring they have just the right amount of permissions they require to perform their tasks efficiently and securely. Take a moment to review these settings, as roles play a crucial role in safeguarding your data and operations. Finally, once all the information is complete and verified, click Save to officially create the user. This action will also trigger the sending of an invitation to the specified email address, informing the user about their new account and prompting them to set a password or log in. And there you have it. With these steps, you have successfully created a new user in Odoo, streamlining your user management process and empowering your team to thrive. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful.